guys enjoyed this FKA Twigs inspired look from the Grammys. If you did, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more such videos. All the products used in this video are mentioned in the description box below. Head over to the MyGlamm app and download it, and to watch another Grammy inspired look, click right here. Bye!